Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Tech Life Smartwatch Neo. This is the second video review of the unboxing of the Smartwatch Neo. On this video, we are going to focus on the menus and features offered here in the Tech Life Smartwatch Neo, model TLS WN1. So if you are interested to know more about the menus or the features offered here, watch this video. And again, support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's begin and explore the offered features available in the Tech Life Smartwatch Neo. So here on the packaging, it's already stated here, we do have a 1.83-inch large display, Bluetooth calling support, health and fitness tracking, IP67 dust and water resistance. We do have an AI voice, heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring. We also have here a blood pressure monitoring, sleep monitoring, and multiple sports mode. Here on the smartwatch, let's check it out. So we have here a power on and home button. For the UI, so on top we have the settings here. On the bottom part, we have the push notifications. On the left side, we have the menus. On the right side, we do have here the widgets or cards. We have the activity, sleep monitoring, heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure, weather report, and that's it. So there's no option here to add or remove the widgets. Pressing the power button goes back to the main page or the watch face. To access the main menu, swipe to the right. So we have here the call. This is for the Bluetooth call, with support for contacts, call history, and dial pad. We have automatic activity tracking. We have the heart rate monitoring. We have the sports functions. We have at least several sports functions here. We'll check on the website of Tech Life if how many sports functions is loaded to this wearable. Okay, seems like it's limited to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. We have at least 24 or maybe 25. Okay, if we counted correctly. Okay, so we have the blood oxygen monitoring for health. We have also blood pressure, sleep monitoring, music control function. We have the weather report, breathing guide. Information is all about push notifications. We have a voice assistant here. You need to be connected to the smartphone to enable this. We have an SOS. We have the toolbox. Included in the toolbox are stopwatch, timer, find phone, flashlight, and remote camera. We have the settings. We have a period tracker for women. For the settings, we have the watch face and theme here. Okay, so theme is all about the menus. Okay, we have the brightness. Let's see. Okay, very good so far. Screen time. So 15 seconds is the highest here. We have the wrist awake, the system reboot, power off, and reset. and we have the about section. Okay, smartwatch model T, okay, LSWN1. Okay, again, here are the features or the menus. Okay, so what do you think of this smartwatch? It is just a basic smartwatch or in a mid-range category. So far, it is loaded with several features here, health and sports, with a Bluetooth call and push notifications. And the screen is responsive so far. Okay, with the option here to change the watch face, although the watch face is limited here. Okay, again, this is your simple minimalist smartwatch, sports smartwatch, the TechLife Smartwatch Neo. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. Share, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.